So the first question, consider the following statements regarding the Sangam age. The Sangam age literature was written in Prakrit. The concept of Tinai, classification of land, appears in Sangam text. The third Sangam was held at Madurai. Which of the above is are correct? Option number B, 2 and 3 only, 2 and 3. The Sangam age refers to the post-modern early historic period in South India around 300 BCE to 300th century. Sangam means assembly of poets, patronized mainly by the Pandya kings of Madurai, not Cholas. Three Sangams are mentioned in Tamil tradition. First, Madurai, mythical lost. Second, Kapadapuram, mostly lost. Third, Madurai, authentic literary evidence. Language, Old Tamil, not Prakrit. Okay. Important text, Ittutogai, 8 anthologies. Pattu Pattu, 10 idols. Tolkappiyam is a grammar. Famous poets, Avayar, Kapilar, Nakirar. Trade, active with Yavanas, Greek and Romance through ports like Muzirids, Porkai, Arikamedu. Prakrit was used in Ashokan inscription, not in Sangam works. Madurai, cultural capital of ancient Tamilakam. Alright. Question number 2. The Ikta system was formally introduced in India by option number B, Iltutmish. Ikta system, distribution of revenue yielding land among nobles and officers instead of salaries, introduced by Iltutmish, institutionalized from Abbasid Caliphate model. Ikta holder called Mukti or Iktadar, responsible for collecting revenue and maintaining soldier. Under Alauddin Khilji, it became more controlled. Diwani Arz, military department, checked army strength. Balban tightened nobility discipline, Paibos and Sijda. Qutbuddin Aibak laid the foundation of Delhi Sultanate but died early, horse accidentally. And significance, laid the foundation of feudal military structure, later evolved into Mansabdari under Mughals. Alauddin Khilji introduced market control, spy system, branding horse, that was called Dag, and Chehra. Question number 3. The fourth Buddhist council was held under the patronage of option number B, Kanishka. Okay, time 78th century, Kushan period. Place Kundalwan, Kashmir. Presided by Vashimutra and Ashoka's vice president. Vashimutra was president. Language used Sanskrit, unlike earlier councils which was used Pali. Outcome, division of Buddhism into Mahayana and Hinian sects. Kanishka's capital Purushpur, and patronized Gandhara and Mathura school of art. Gandhara art, Greco-Buddhist fusion, Greek influence, realism. Earlier council, first Rajgir Ajashatru under the reign of Ajashatru. Second, Vaishali Kalashak, dispute over monastic rules. Third, held in Patliputra under the reign of Ashok by Mughaliputra Titas, presided by, spread to Sri Lanka. Ashoka, author of Buddhacharit and Shondar Nanda, Mahayana, worship of Buddha as a god, emphasized bodhisattvas. 4. Which of the following statements about the revolt of 1857 is correct? Number C. Bahadur Shah Jafar was proclaimed Emperor of India. Immediate cause, greased cartiages rumor, cow and pig fat. Start 10 May 1857, Meerut cantonment. Mangal Pandey, Barakpur, March 1857, first spark. Mangal Pandey was the leader. And main centers, Delhi, led by Bahadur Shah Jafar. Kanpur, Nana Sahib and Tatia Tope. Jhansi, Rani Lakshmibai, Lucknow, Begum Hazrat Mahal, and Bihar, Kunwar Singh. Very important details. These are suppressed by British forces under Campbell, Havelock, Outram. Results, end of East India Company Act of 1857, 1858. Rule transferred to British Crown. British Army recognized ratio of Indian reduced. Character, military revolt with socio-political motives. Terms, some terms is first war of independence coined by V.D. Savarkar, and Sepoy Mutiny, British historians. Doctrine of lapse created by Dalhousie was major cause. Example, Jhansi, Satara. 5. Western Ghats have been declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site because of. Option number B, their Tropical monsoon forest ecosystem. Stretch Gujarat to Kerala 1500 km. Highest peak Anaimudi 2695 meter Kerala. Form orographic rainfall barrier, heavy rainfall on windward side, dry leeward side. Biodiversity hotspot, over 7,000 plant species, 139 mammal species. Silent Valley National Park, Periyar, Kudremukh, Agasthamalai, major protected sites. And UNESCO WHS declared 2012 for rich endemic species and ecological significance. River originating Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri barrier. Soils, laterite red soils. Comparison Eastern Ghats, discontinuous, lower, older. That was the specification of Western Ghats. 6. Which of the following planets is called the ice giant? Option number C, Uranus. Uranus and Neptune, ice giant, composition of methane, water, ammonia. Jupiter and Saturn, gas giant, hydrogen and helium. Uranus discovered by William Herschel 1781, and axis tilted by 90 degree, rotates sideways. Coldest planet in our solar system. Neptune discovered via mathematical prediction 1846. 7. Which of the following rivers flows westwards into the Arabian Sea? Option number D, Narmada. Narmada and Tapi, only major peninsular rivers flowing westwards. Source Amarkantak Plateau, Madhya Pradesh. Forms Rift Valley between Satpura and Vindhya ranges. Empties into Gulf of Khambad, Arabian Sea. And Narmada Basin Project, Sardar Sarovar Dam, located in Gujarat. And Mahanadi Godavari Krishna flows east into Bay of Bengal. Mahanadi Godavari Krishna flows east into Bay of Bengal. 8. Which planet has the shortest day, fastest rotation? Option number A, Jupiter. Rotation period 9 hours 56 minutes. Largest planet in our solar system, and mass 318 into Earth, and atmosphere hydrogen, helium, ammonia. Great red spot, giant storm lasting centuries. 95 plus moons. Largest Ganymede, bigger than Mercury. 9. The only active volcano in India is located at option number C, Barren Island. Barren Island, located in Andaman Sea, 135 km east of Port Blair. India's only active volcano, last erupted in 2022. Lies on Coco Plate, Burma Plate subduction zone. Type stratovolcano composites. Nearby Narkondam Island, dormant volcano. Andaman Nicobar, part of alpine Himalayan volcanic belt. 10. Which of the following pairs is incorrectly matched? Option number D, Pulicat Lake, Gujarat, is not correct. Okay, Pulicat Lake, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu border, not Gujarat. Second largest brackish water lake after Chilka, that was located in Odisha. And Chilka, Ramsar site, habitat for Irrawaddy dolphins. Loktak Lake, Femids floating island. Kebulanjo National Park, home to Shanghai deer. Kebulanjo National Park, that was for floating national park, home to Shanghai deer. Ular Lake, largest freshwater lake in India. Jhelum Basin, tectonic origin. Sambhar Lake, located in Rajasthan, largest saline lake in India. 11. Which of the following are fundamental duties under the Indian Constitution? Fundamental duties under the Indian Constitution. Which of the following are fundamental duties? To uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. To defend the country and render national service. To promote international peace and security. Option number D, 1, 2 and 3, all of the above. Fundamental duties. Article 51A, inserted by 42nd Amendment Act 1976 under Indira Gandhi government, based on the USSR Soviet Union Constitution. Originally 10 duties, later 11th added by 86 Constitutional Amendment Act 2002. Duty of parents to provide education to children between 6 to 14 years. That was 11th number. They are non-justiciable but can be enforced indirectly by law. Example, Environment Protection Act 1986. Purpose, moral obligations to strengthen civic discipline and patriotism. Examples, to protect public property, to cherish ideals and the freedom struggle, to develop scientific temper. These are examples. 12. Match the following schedules with their subject matter. 8. Language. 9th, laws beyond a judicial review. 10th, anti-defection law. Which are correctly matched? Option number C is the correct answer. All of these. 8th schedule. List 22 official languages, originally 14. Latest edition 92nd Amendment Act 2003. Bodo Dogri Maithili Santhali. 9th schedule added by 1st Amendment Act 1951. Protect lands reforms laws from judicial review, Article 31B. 10th schedule added by 52nd Amendment Act 1985, anti-defection law. Disqualification if MP or MLA voluntarily gives up party membership or votes against party whip. 11th schedule Panchayat Raj 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992. 12th schedule urban local bodies, that was municipality, 74th Amendment Act 1992. Total 12th schedule 97th Amendment Act 97th Amendment added cooperative society in Article 19(1) subclause C. 13. In the Indian Parliament, 0 hour refers to option number B, period after question hour. 0 hour. Informal parliamentary innovation 1962. Time immediately after question hour, 11 am to 12 noon. That was question hour, and immediate after the question hour is called 0 hour. Members can raise urgent issue of public importance without prior notice, not mentioned in constitution or rule book. Okay. Question hour, first hour of sitting, MPs ask question from ministers. Third question, required oral answer plus supplementary question. Answered, written answer. Okay. Half an hour discussion. For elaboration of factual matters related, something important things that adjourn motion, urgent matter with national importance, calling attention motion, introduced by L.K. Advani in 1954. These are the important details you should remember. Alright. Next, 14. Who administers the oath of office to President of India? Option number B, Chief Justice of India. Oath content: to preserve, protect and defend the Constitution, Article 60. If CGI unavailable, senior most Supreme Court judge administers it. Vice President oath taken before the President, Article 69. Term 5 years, eligible for re-election, minimum age 35 years. Election, indirect by electoral college, MPs plus MLAs, proportional representation by STV, single transferable vote. Resignation, address to Vice President, and impeachment of President is Article 61. Violation of Constitution requires 2/3 majority of both houses. 15. The directive principle of state policy are borrowed from option number C, Ireland. DPSP, Part 4, Article 36 to 51, aim to create social and economical democracy, non-justiciable in nature but fundamental to governance. 3 types: socialistic principle, Gandhian principle, liberal principle. Socialistic principle, example equal pay, social justice. Gandhian principle, example cottage industries, village panchayat, cow protection. Liberal principles, example international peace, separation of judiciary. Borrowed from Irish Constitution 1937, inspired by Spanish Constitution. Key articles: Article 39B, equitable distribution of wealth. Article 40, organization of village panchayat, very important. Article 48A, it's also important, protection of environment, added by 42nd Amendment Act 1976. 16. The term core inflation refers to inflation that excludes option number A, food and fuel items. Okay, core inflation, price rise excluding volatile items like food and fuel. Headline inflation, overall inflation includes all. Measured by Consumer Price Index CPI, base year 2012, published by National Statistical Office NSO. WPI, Wholesale Price Index, base year 2011-12. High core inflation, persistent structural pressure in economy. RBI uses CPI combined for monetary policy, flexible inflation targeting since 2016. Target 4% plus minus 2% under RBI Act amended in 2016. 17. Which of the following best defines inclusive growth? Option number B, growth that creates jobs and reduced inequality. Inclusive growth, growth plus equity plus sustainability, emphasized in 11th and 12th 5-year plans, ensures benefits rich, poor, rural, women and marginalized groups. Niti Aayog focuses on Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas. Schemes promoting it: Manrega 2005, 100 days job guarantee; PM Kishan 2019, 6,000 direct income to farmers; Jandhan, Aadhaar, Mobile, Jam, Trinity; Skill India, Stand Up India, Digital India, etc. Aligned with UN SDGs 2030, Goal 8, Decent Work and Economic Growth. Goal number 8, Decent Work and Economic Growth. 18. Which of the following are components of the balance of payments? Current account, capital account, financial account. Number C, 1, 2 and 3. All of the above. Balance of payment, record of all economic transactions between India and rest of the world. Current account, exports, imports, invisibles, services, remittance. Capital account, FDI, FPI, external assistance or NRI deposits. Financial account records reserve changes, IMF transactions, surplus, inflow of forex, deficit, currency depreciation. BOT, balance of trade, is a subset of current account managed by RBI and Ministry of Commerce. 2024-25, India's CAD 1.5% of GDP. 19. Twin deficit refers to option number A, fiscal plus current account deficit. Fiscal deficit, government expenditure is greater than revenue. Okay, government expenditure is greater than revenue, it's called fiscal deficit. Current account deficit, imports is greater than exports. Together, they indicate macroeconomic imbalance leads to rupee depreciation, inflation, foreign independence. Managed via fiscal consolidation, reduced subsidies, export promotion, RBI forex intervention. Example: 2012-13, India faced high twin deficits. Rupee fell sharply. 20. The PM Kishan scheme provides income support of option number B, 6,000 per year. Launched February 2019, Minister of Agriculture. Beneficiary all small and marginal farmers up to the 2 hectares land. 6,000 paid in 3 equal installments, 2,000 each. Transferred via direct benefit transfer, DBT, 100% funded by central government. Similar schemes, Ritu Bandhu, Telangana; Kalia, Odisha. Over 11 crore beneficiaries as of 2025. Launched in 2019. It's very important. 21. Which of the following elements is used in atomic clocks? Option number B, cesium. Cesium-133 isotope used in atomic clocks measured 909, a very long number, vibration per second. Photoelectric effect and quantum transition allowed extreme precision. Okay. Photoelectric cells also uses cesium, emits Nobel 1964, Louisation. Okay, it's not important. 22. The Ajanta caves are mainly associated with option number B, Buddhism. Location: Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Period: 2nd century BC to 6th century CE. Patrons: Sadhavanas and Vakatakas, King Harishan. Caves 29 in total, all rock cut. Depict Jatak tales, Buddha's previous birth, related to Buddha's previous birth. Fresco technique, natural pigments, lime, plaster. Discovered 1819 by British officer John Smith. Nearby Ellora Caves, mixed Hindu, Jain, Buddhist. Ellora Caves mixed Hindu, Jain, Buddhist. 23. Madhubani paintings originate from which Indian state? Option number B, Bihar. Also called Mithila painting, origin Madhubani district, Bihar and parts of Nepal. Drawn with bamboo sticks, rice pastes, natural dyes. Themes: Hindu deities, festivals, marriage, fertility. Famous artist: Sita Devi, Bhava Devi, Padma Shri awardees. Similar folk arts: Patachitra in Odisha, Warli, Maharashtra, Phad, Rajasthan. 24. The Satriya dance form belongs to which state? Easy question. Option number A, Assam. Founded by Srimanta Shankaradev in 15th century, Vaishnavite saint, performed in Satras monastic institution, recognized as classical dance of India in 2000. It's very important details. Based on Bhakti movement and devotion to Lord Krishna. Costumes: white dhoti, turban, ankles for men, mekhela chador for women. Musical instruments: khol, cymbals, flute. Related: Manipuri in Radhakrishna themes, Odissi Jagannath temple tradition. 25. The Bihu festival is celebrated in also option number B, Assam. Celebrated thrice a year. 1. Bohag, Rongali Bihu, also called Mag Bihu, also called Bogali Bihu, Kati, Kongali Bihu. Rongali Bihu in April, start of Assamese New Year. Mag Bihu, January, harvest festival. Kati Bihu, October, for crop protection. Dance, dhol, pipa, gongana instrument. Okay, Rongali Bihu, similar to Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Vishu in Kerala, Vaishakhi in Punjab, recognized as intangible cultural heritage of India. 26. India's first city to be officially declared as a solar city in 2025 is its current affairs. Option number D, Diu. Diu, UT of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, runs 100% on solar energy during daytime. Installed capacity 13 MW solar power plants. Not important details. Green hydrogen mission in 2023. PM Kusum, solar pumps for farmers. National solar mission in 2010 targets 280 gigawatt by 2030. It's a related schemes. India's first city to achieve zero carbon electricity. That is Diu. 27. Who won the Nobel Prize in Economics 2025 for research on AI and labor productivity? Option number C, Darren Asimoglu. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, you can download PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.